Okay, let's look at 23. Let's look at 23. 23 is a question on so-called triangle inequality. Inequality. Therefore, in this case, can you see that you are given the 5 sticks? The length is actually 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. 5 and 8. Right. Then in this case, can you see that if you don't care whether they form the side of a triangles, out of these 5 numbers, you pick 3, right? So that you can form so-called, maybe you can form a triangle. We do not know, right? Therefore, that means out of the 5, you pick 3. The number of choices is 10. Is 10. The number of choices is 10. 5 choose 3, that will give you 10. All right. Then in this case, out of these 10, how many of them will give you the sides of a triangle? All right. Therefore, in this case, maybe can we do a listing? 2, 3, 4. Is it possible? It is possible, right? Then can you see that, class? Maybe if you don't understand how I get 10, let me do all the listing for you. This is 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. It cannot form a sides of a triangle because you know why? 2 plus 3 is not greater than 5. It is equal to 5. Therefore, this combination will not give you the side of the triangle. And then 2, 3, 8 is also not possible, right? Then the next part, at least 2, 4, 5. Okay, this is possible. And then this is 2, 4, 8. This is not possible. Not possible. And then I look at 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8 is also not possible. Therefore, in this case, then I move on to let me move on to 3. That means in this case, can I say that 3, 4, 5? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. This is obviously sides of a triangle. This is a right angle triangle, right? And then after that, can I look at 3, 4, 8? This is not possible. And then after that, can I look at 3, 5, 8? This is also not possible. Therefore, the last case is actually 4, 5, 8. And then this is possible. And can you see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Therefore, if you don't understand how I get 10, this is 10, sorry, right? Therefore, these are the 10 possible combination, 10 possible combination, right? And out of the 10, can you see that how many tick are there? How many tick are there? Can you see that there's only 1 tick? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the required probability, right, that a triangle can be formed. Therefore, the probability that a triangle can be formed. Okay, I think maybe I use the proper notation. That means when I write P, right, probability that a triangle can be formed is actually 4 over 10. 4 over 10, and the answer is just 0.4. Right, therefore the answer is C. In this case, the answer is C. All right. Okay, with that I stop here.